Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-HC300 or 301 stereo and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this, not responding, maybe the buttons are not working, or if it seems to be frozen and lagging and things like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the other reason is if for whatever reason you just want to clear out the memory and the presets and just get everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can do this really easily. All we need to do is, first things first, we're just going to unplug this device from the wall. Once we do that, we'll wait 3 minutes, and after at least 3 minutes have passed, you can just come in and go ahead and press and hold the power button, and while holding the power button, you can go ahead and plug it back into the wall, and keep an eye on this display over here. Just keep holding the power button, keep holding the power button, and when this display pops up with just a bunch of dashes all across it, dash, 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 that's when you know the reset is complete. You can go ahead and release the power button and set this up like it's a brand new stereo.